Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to apply the knowledge we have already studied in the topic magnetic effects of current. We have already studied that a current carrying conductor experiences a force when placed in magnetic field, and the force is maximum when the conductor is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. This principle is used in the construction of the electric motor, and our today's sub-concept topic is electric motor. By definition, an electric motor is a device which converts electric energy into mechanical energy, say kinetic energy. What is the principle? Principle of electric motor. A torque acts on a rectangular coil of insulated wire when placed perpendicular, this is perpendicular to magnetic field. Let me remind you, you have read term torque in class 9th. A torque is a pair of two equal unlike parallel forces. Suppose we want to twist the cap of this pen. What we do, we use our first finger and thumb and twist it. Thumb pushes it forwards and the first finger pushes it backwards. With the result, rotatory motion is produced. Torque is a pair of two equal and unlike parallel forces like this. Suppose this is the axis. Here one force F acts on this side downwards, another force acts parallel to it but opposite to it on this side. With the result, the body will rotate. Now, construction of the electric motor. An electric motor consists of a rectangular coil of insulated wire. This is the rectangular coil of insulated wire. It has many turns. It is wound on a shaft. The insulated wire is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field between the poles of a magnet. Here, this is the north pole, this is the south pole. The magnet can be cylindrical magnet. It can be horseshoe magnet. In both cases, it works. The ends of the coil are connected with two halves of a split ring. Here, one end of the coil is connected with this half of a split ring, and another end of the coil is connected with this half of a split ring. In case of the DC motor, in case of AC motor, these two halves are connected. See, go down please. Here they are connected with two full rings like this. These two rings are called as commutators. A pair of two split rings is called as commutator. It changes the direction of the current after every half rotation. These split rings have a sliding contact with two bushes. Sliding contact means this contact. Not firm contact but sliding contact. Here. Now working. When the current is switched on, current enters from positive terminal here conventionally through side AB and it leaves the coil through side CD. As per Fleming's left hand rule, when current enters through side AB, this is like this. Magnetic field is this. See, for convenience, I will write here like this because there is very less time for us. Big videos cannot be uploaded. A minor video of 5 minutes takes at least 8 hours for uploading at our site. See, this is the direction of the magnetic field. Here, the middle finger shows the direction of the current. With the result, one side is pushed down and another side is pushed up. Due to this torque acting on the suspended coil, the coil takes half rotation. After half rotation, the split ring connected with the side AB comes in contact with negative bush, another bush, and the split ring connected with the side CD comes in contact with the positive bush. This reverses the current and the coil again takes half rotation. Here, if the AB is pushed down, CD is pushed up. After half rotation, AB is pushed up and CD is pushed down. With the result, the motor, coil of the motor, wounded on the shaft, rotates and the motor works. Now, uses of the electric motor. Electric motors are used in electric fans. They are used in factories. They are used in grinding machines, sawmills, wheat mills, etc. They are used in DVDs. They are used in tape recorders. They are used in toys. They are used in grinders, etc. Thanks.